So I've been wanting to make a few little tweaks to our bedroom for a little while now, and I figured I might as well start with some new kind of like nightside tables. Hey, I'm Janelle, this is toDIYfor, and if you are new to my channel, I do new DIYs every Wednesday. I try to keep things very budget friendly, pretty beginner friendly. I mean, I am teaching myself along the way most of the time, and also fairly renter friendly, although our landlord is pretty okay with me putting some holes in the walls. We just gotta fix everything back up when we leave. So today I'm going to be doing some new nightstands. They're not actually gonna be full tables, they're gonna be like shelves, night shelves into the wall. We don't have a lot of space for them. We recently got a dog. The dog crate is now in there. I lost my nightstand when we did that. And I miss having a spot to just put like a glass of water, a book, and my phone. And that's basically what these will be great for. I think they're really aesthetically pleasing and totally on par for all of the curves and that we're seeing, the rounded edges for 2022 design. So let me show you what I came up with.
I have no idea why I've never seen these at Home Depot before, but I stumbled upon them, and these are wood rounds. They're about an inch thick. This one is 18 inches in diameter. They do have larger ones. I've found the center point, and I'm going to draw a line across to cut this in half. I gave myself this wood guide, and I clamped that into place to make sure I got this a very clean, straight cut.
Woo! That feels good.
And yeah, that's my first time using a skill saw, so it did feel really good. I also grabbed these 1x2s, cut them in half. They are slightly smaller than the diameter of these half circles. I'm gonna do some pilot holes with wood glue and screw those into place. That's how we're mounting this onto the wall. So you gotta give this a good sand. I found the edges of these to be still quite rough. Sanded it down. I'm gonna give it a couple of coats of polyurethane. Make sure to sand in between those coats to get a nice smooth finish. And then I'm going to pre-drill these screws here for two reasons. Now I have a place that I know exactly where it's going to go into the wall. It's going to help me, that little poke that sticks out there, but it's also way easier to do if you're doing this on your own. So I measured this up 23 inches from the ground. Make sure to use a level because everything in my apartment is absolutely crooked. And now we're going to put the shelf there along that line and kind of push it into the wall. The screw sticking out will make the smallest little marks so you know exactly where to drill. And unfortunately, I did not hit any studs. So then I got a larger drill bit screwed in so I could add in my wall plugs. And then that just lines up perfectly. And then you screw it right in and we're good to go. So ideally, if this is into a stud, it will hold more weight. But as you can see, these shelves hold, you know, some water, the phone. Like I said, we don't need them to hold a whole lot, but I think they look so sleek. They almost look like they're floating shelves, and I absolutely love this look. Cost me 20 bucks. That's it for this week's DIY. I'll be back next week with a new one.